Hi guys, I'm Nicole at Nicole Artistry on Instagram. Today I used the new Itsmyrayeraye eyeshadow palette to create this wonderful look. It's very sunset-like. I feel like it's perfect for going into summer. I love the warm tones and everything like that. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching this video and you will see every step. So for the first step, what I did is put fallout powder underneath my eye. That way I can go in with my shadows without anything falling down on my face and staining my foundation. So I'll just dust it away at the end. So for the first step, I'm gonna take my Itsmyrayeraye brush in number 6 and I'm gonna dip into the shade Brick and put that into the crease of my eye. So for my next step, I'm going to take my Itsmyrayeraye number 7 brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Flare and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye. So for my next step, I'm going to go in with my base booster, the glitter and shadow glue, to lay that down so I can put my shimmer pigment down. So to apply my base booster, I'm going to go in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 8 brush and just pack that onto my lid. And for my next step, I'm going to go in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 8 brush and the shade Top Notch and pack that on in a patting motion. So for my next step, I'm going to go in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 6 brush and I'm going to dip back into the shade Flare and I'm going to dab that on top of my outer shade and my inner shade in the center to blend them together. So for my next step, I'm going to move on to my under eye and I'm going to use the Itsmyrayeraye number 7 brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Flare again and pack that under eye. For my next step, I'm going in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 9 brush. I'm going to dip into my base booster and place that right on my inner corner and lower lash line. And now going back in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 9 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Top Notch and I'm going to pack that in on my inner corner and my lower lash line. So for my next step, I'm going to go in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 7 brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Cocoa and pack that on the very closest part of my lower lash line. So now that I'm done blending all my shadows together, I'm going to go in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 4 brush and I'm going to dust away my fallout powder. So for my next step, I'm going to go in and smudge my lash line with the Power Pencil in black. So for my next step, I'm going to be going in with the new mascara that's coming soon. So stay tuned for that. So I'm going to drop that on before I put my lashes on. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm moving on to my next step, which is my lips using the Itsmyrayeraye liquid lip. Here you have it, you guys, the final look using the new Itsmyrayeraye palette. Again, if you go head over to my Instagram, Nicole Artistry with an H, and if you create this look, please tag me, hashtag me, and tag BH Cosmetics. I would love to see your creations.